Guys, good morning. Um, Today is August the 30th, 2021, Monday here in Vancouver Island. We took the boat from Victoria to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So we're gonna explore Vancouver today for 2 days and 2 nights. We're staying downtown, and it's a beautiful experience here in Victoria. We went to Nanaimo, um, and then some part areas of Vancouver Island, which is so beautiful. The rides, the mountains, the everything. It's very calm, laid-back city, which is we like it. Anyway, guys, it's a little bit chilly in here. I think it's plus 13 here in Vancouver, and it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. So thank you, Lord, for guiding us and for giving us the opportunity to travel. And I'm going to show you the some of the part of Vancouver later on. So for now, take care, guys, and God bless.